Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So let me just start and let you know that today's video was supposed to be a declutter and organize with me for my downstairs closet, and I just stated I was going to just tidy up around the house. I came downstairs and my house was an absolute disaster, and so I said in order for me to organize and declutter this downstairs closet to make space, I need to tidy up, and the tidy up ended up turning into like 2 hours of me cleaning. So this is not going to be my decluttering and organizing video. This is going to be a tidy up or clean with me video, because clearly I spent a lot of time trying to get my house back in shape. So let's go ahead and get the administrative work out of the way, shall we? For those of you who are new, my name is Diane. Welcome to Diane Her Way, where I make videos on organization, motherhood, cleaning, and lifestyle. Most of my videos right now are cleaning and organization because I am a stay-at-home mom of one little boy. And as you can see, I am currently pregnant with baby number 2. So if you like these type of videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like button if you like this video or any other videos that I have posted on my channel. And if you don't want to miss any other notifications from me, go ahead and hit the notification bell. I think it does give you options on how you would like it to be set up, so it's up to you how you want to do that. And as always, go ahead and comment. I do get back in contact with all of those who do comment on my page, and I love to dialogue with those who have commented. So now that that is out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right back into the video. So most of you guys know that there's always a method to my madness, and so I do always have a plan when I am cleaning my kitchen. I start by putting the dishes away first, and then I go ahead and clean off my tabletops and my countertops, and that way I don't miss any dishes that may be stray laying around. And then I go ahead and I sweep my floor, and then I wash my dishes. Then that way I can wash all my dishes at one time. I can pick up all of the crumbs and stuff that I may have wiped off of the counter onto the floor, and then I feel like my kitchen is cleaner that way. So that is just a plan for me. Maybe that will help some of you guys when it comes to cleaning your kitchen, but that is something that I do when I'm cleaning my kitchen.
Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Like electricity. Over your body, it's flowing through your mind. This feeling's got me on fire. Don't ever leave it all behind. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. you feel me? Mm.
In the midst of everything that's going on in the world, I just wanted to pose a question and ask, how is everybody holding up in this current situation that we're in, from the pandemic to, just the recent events that has taken place. I know that it can be really stressful and really challenging for a lot of us, most of us, all of us. And I know that it's been really challenging for me, especially being, pregnant and trying to take care of my son, to going to get groceries and doctor's appointments, not having my husband home regularly like I would like. It's just been really challenging for me, but I've been okay. I've had my family, my little village, that has been really helping me out a lot. And so I'm so grateful for that. But for those of you who have been like me, really challenged in this time, how are you guys holding up? I really do hope that everybody is staying safe and staying healthy and out of harm's way, and they're able to get the things that you guys really need. But how are you guys feeling? What's actually going on with you guys? Let me know down in the comment section below. I promise you, I was not in the mood to really clean and wipe down this couch, but my son had wasted some cereal and milk on the couch, and so I decided to go ahead and just clean the couch. Like I said, I really wanted to just do a tidy up session for about 30 minutes or so, and it just really turned into 2 hours. So in a way, I'm kind of glad, because it does allow me the opportunity to make more videos, more content, because I have the space to do what I really need to do. So you guys just be on the lookout for more videos. But like I said, I was just not in the mood to clean it, but I'm so glad that I went ahead and did.
silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now. You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you
So by this time, you guys, I was tired. I was exhausted. I will tell you, in this pregnancy, currently, I do not have a whole lot of energy. I will say that my second trimester has been better than my first, in which I was basically on bed rest. The first trimester, I could not move. I was nauseous all the time, headaches. But the second trimester is giving me a little bit more boost, and I do have a tad bit more energy than I did in my first trimester. So that is one of the reasons why I want to get through this series. For those of you guys who don't know, that I currently have a organization series in which I am cleaning out different areas of my home, and I just really want to get this done before I head into my third trimester, because my third trimester, I know that I'm going to be nesting, but I want to do things that I know that I'm supposed to do, like my hospital bags, and get ready for, I don't know if I'm going to do a baby shower, but I know that I'm going to be receiving some items, and I really just want to focus on my family and this upcoming labor and delivery. So but yes, by this time I was done, and I'm glad I was sitting down because I was just so exhausted.
I'm done cleaning up your mess. promises.
So if you've been following me for a while, or if you're new, then you will have seen these blankets sitting on the right hand side in the corner. It's because I have not been able to go to the wash house to wash them. I need to wash all of my big comforters, and so they won't fit in my washer and dryer, so I need to take them. Also, there are a lot of boxes that are also sitting in this room, and that is because I have not taken them upstairs because I haven't done my bedroom in organization, or organizing my closet and all those things. So until that happens, you guys, you're going to see a lot of pockets of I wouldn't necessarily say clutter, because there is a method to my madness, but you will see stuff on the floor. So just be patient with me, you guys. The videos are coming, and as you can see here, my son is a climber, so I had to get on him about that. So guys, we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.